Good morning everyone. Welcome to Bishnupriya's chemistry blog. Today's topic is determination of acidity in water and wastewater. So let's come to its description. What is acidity? Now, acidity what describes the amount of acid in a substance. An acid is a chemical that gives up hydrogen ion in water in forms of salt by combining with certain metal. Then come to the principle of acidity parameter. Now, acidity of water is its quantitative capacity to react with a strong base to a designated pH, and it may be defined as a equivalent concentration of hydrogen ion in mg per liter. So, we test acidity parameter in your lab to determine the hydrogen ion in that water. Okay. For the determination of acidity of water and wastewater, we need the reference material IS 3025 part 22 and AFAR 24th edition 2310B. Okay, the method uses indicator method or titrimetric method. Its range is 0.5 to 500 mg per liter as CaCO3, that means calcium carbonate. The equipment used for the testing of acidity parameter is a burette, pipette, a pH meter, a magnetic stirrer, a conical flask, distilled water, and a pipette and bubbler. Okay, then come to what are the reagent or chemicals we needed for the test of acidity parameter. First one is a methyl orange indicator. So why you prepare? Now dissolve accurately 0.5 gram of methyl orange in a weighing balance and add 100 ml of distilled water. Then come to phenolphthalein indicator. Similarly, dissolve 0.5 gram of phenolphthalein in 100 ml of 1:1 ethyl alcohol water mixture and add to 0.02 n sodium hydroxide solution drop by drop till a very faint pink color is observed. Then what is the stock sodium hydroxide solution? Now dissolve 40 gram of sodium hydroxide to 1000 ml of distilled water and its normality is 1n, and from that 1n solution we have to dilute 20 ml of above stock sodium hydroxide solution to 1000 ml and it gives 0.02 n normality. Then we need potassium hydrogen phthalate. Now why you need potassium hydrogen? For standardization of sodium hydroxide, whether it is 0.02 n or not. So for this standardization we need potassium hydrogen phthalate dried at 120. So before making it we have to dry it in a hot air oven at 120 degrees Celsius for 2 hours and cool it in desiccator, and from that weigh accurately 4.0846 gram and transport to a 1000 ml volumetric flask and dilute within the grade 2 distilled water up to and shake well and mix it well. Okay, then how we prepare the standardization or for the determination of whether our sodium hydroxide is exactly 0.02 n or not. So for this we have to take 20 ml of potassium hydrogen phthalate solution in a conical flask, add 1 to 2 drops of methyl orange solution and titrate it within 0.02 n sodium hydroxide solution till the pink color observed, and we have to calculate accordingly in this formula, where W1 is the weight of the salt, L2 is volume taken for titration, P is the purity of salt, and L1 is the volume prepared for primary standard, and L1 is the volume consumed. So we have to put the accurate value in this calculation form, and we will know exactly our sodium hydroxide is 0.02 or not. Okay, then come to the sample analysis. Okay, first take 20 ml or a suitable of water sample in a conical flask. First we have to check the pH. If the pH of the sample is less than 3.7, then add 2 to 3 drops of methyl orange indicator and titrate with the standard sodium hydroxide solution till the faint orange color observed, and record the burette reading of sodium hydroxide used for this titration. Okay, then in another one is if the pH of the sample is greater than 8.3, then take 20 ml of sample in a conical flask and add 2 to 3 drops of phenolphthalein indicator which phenolphthalein acidity has been determined, and titrate with that standard sodium hydroxide solution till a faint pink color is observed, and record the brew rate reading for sodium hydroxide solution used for phenolphthalein acidity. Then come to its calculation. Now acidity for methyl orange, you have to calculate A and N 50 into 1000 by V, and for the phenolphthalein indicator, we have to B into N 50 into 1000 by B, where A is the ml of standard sodium hydroxide solution used to titrate to pH 3.7, or B is the standardization of sodium hydroxide solution used to titrate from pH 8.3, and N is the normality of standard sodium hydroxide which I get the value from the standardization. B is the volume in sample taken for. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, then you can put your question in my comment box and I will clarify it. Okay, if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.